welcome back to Just Tea Crochet channel. Today's episode, you learn how to crochet single crochet. Let's dive into the video. You'll need a crochet hook and wool of your choice. Next, you'll make a chain stitch. If you've not learned the chain stitch, click the link above to learn how to make a chain stitch in less than 3 minutes. I used a number to steel hook and one super quality wool. Now insert your hook into the last stitch. You will pull up a loop. Skip one stitch and insert your hook in the second stitch from your hook. Prepare to draw up a loop with your hook. Wrap the yarn over your crochet hook and pull through with the hook. Now you have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. Yay! You've learned the single crochet stitch. Repeat the same process in the next stitch. As a beginner, even if you make mistakes, don't give up. Keep repeating. Remember to control your tension. Try your best not to crochet tightly. I'm going to continue showing single crochet in slow motion. I hope this tutorial has helped you to learn the single crochet stitch. For beginner crocheters, you can tag me on your replicas on Instagram at JustTCrochet1. I'll leave the link in the description box below. When making the single crochet stitch, if your project curl a little, you can adjust it by using your ring finger and little finger to support it, and then continue making single crochet. Single crochet stitch is one of the basic stitches to learn as a new crocheter. Guys, I've gotten to the end of my row. I hope you were able to achieve this. Kindly like my post and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more beginner crochet videos. Thumbs up my beginner crocheters. See you in my next video.